Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 West Road, Strathmiglo. If you are looking for your next family home, then this is the one for you. You are getting a spacious, detached, 3 reception, 3 bedroom, one of which is on the ground floor, so it's offering you that one level living while being on a desirable plot because you're getting ample off-street parking to the side, workshop space, private secluded garden to the side and rear, while getting to take full advantage of the gorgeous views to the front that are completely unobstructed, while being situated in the idyllic village of Strathmiglo. So it really is the perfect family home. So let me take you on the tour and show you everything that it has to offer, and as always, keep listening until the end for how you can get further details. So this is your property here, number 7. We've got a beautiful day to showcase it today as well. It is sitting in the sun perfectly. Now, just to give you an idea of the size that you're getting with this property, so your property extends all the way down just to the end just there where the black railings are, so that is off-street parking through there and the workshop that I mentioned. Now we will get to that in further detail, but this is the positioning of your property. And just to give you an idea, you're in such a great position also because this is your outlook to the front, so not overlooked whatsoever. And look at that, haven't we just got a beautiful day today with the blue skies? But this is the outlook, so lovely and peaceful. And then you do have a further playing field and skate park just there, so great location for the family. So this is your property here, so we're going to enter just through the front and make our way. Now you have your landscaped garden to the front with plenty of mature shrubs and plants. So this is your property just here. I love that bay window as well, so I can't wait to take you on the tour of this one. So heading inside, you have your entrance vestibule. Now as always, we're going to start upstairs and make our way down, but the size and the space that you're getting with this property really is perfect for the family, because I love, as we open this door, you come into your entrance hallway and see right up to the upper landing and that sun beaming down. It's such a great entrance, plenty of space as well for kind of shoes, coats and boots. So really spacious entrance hallway. Just look at how bright that is. So that is where we're heading. We're going to start upstairs. So we will spiral round. So we're going to start in the master bedroom, really generous sized. So this is your first bedroom, but look at that. Isn't that just a brilliant sized bedroom? Plenty of space for you. Lovely and bright. Plus you're getting that great outlook as well, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I just want you to try and understand just how big this room really is. You're getting that lovely outlook as well to the side. And then as we come round, you're getting a completely unobstructed private view to the front. And then what's great as well is just off your master, you have this ensuite shower room. So you have your WC, your vanity unit and wash hand basin, and your large enclosed thermostatic shower. So that is a great addition for your master. And then especially because you're still getting all of this space for your bedroom furniture. Then coming along the landing, I just love how bright it is. Look at that. It's just beautiful how bright it is. Coming along again, spoilt with your second bedroom because it is such a generous size. So second bedroom currently has a sofa bed, and it also has these really large wardrobes, but you can still see that you're getting plenty of floor space. And then again, you're getting the outlook to the front. You will never get bored of that. I would be putting a dressing table just here to take full advantage of those views. You do then just have storage in the corner just there, but this is your second bedroom. Now what's great, as I mentioned at the beginning, you have that one level living aspect. So we'll head down and show you your final bedroom. So back down into our entrance hallway. You can see that you've got the pulley on the ceiling just there. Obviously you can make use of that if you wish. We then come into your third and final bedroom. Really generous sized again. Hopefully by now you're pitching yourself and who's going to have what room. But great size. And again, as I say, I love this bay window. So again, dressing table right here to take full advantage of the view. It's just amazing. And then you do have further space just tucked around this corner here. So plenty of floor space for all your bedroom furniture. And that sun is beaming in again. And that's a slight sneak peek at your garden to the rear. We will head out there shortly. But isn't this just a great size? Just trying to give you an idea of just how much space you're getting with your bedrooms. Then we can head back along. Now you have storage just behind the door there, obviously your understairs storage, so you can see the depth of it. And then we come into your downstairs shower room, so really accessible. You have your vanity unit, you have your thermostatic shower, and then you have your WC and your heated towel rail. So spacious downstairs shower room, which is obviously gives you that aspect of the one level living. And if you want to make use of it and utilize it, that is a stand up dryer there if you would like to use that. But great having this all on the one level if need be. We can then start with your reception rooms. So 3 reception rooms, remember. So coming into your sitting room. So this again, such a brilliant size. You really are spoilt with this property and you'll continue to see that as we go throughout. I love that feature fireplace with the mantle and then your wood burner. You can just imagine it on the winter months just sitting there. But isn't this just a great family space? Let me try and give you an idea of the size. And then coming through, we then come into your kitchen space, which you will not be expecting the sheer size of this. You are getting so much cabinet and worktop space. It's just incredible. So it really does span this entire wall. So this is your kitchen space. So you can see there you have your integrated hob, extractor, then you have your double oven. You've got that addition over there, almost like a pantry style cupboards. Space for a breakfasting table just here. However, we are going to head through into a dining room shortly. But isn't this just incredible? So much space. And then you do just have an outlook into your side garden. Now we're going to head through to the rest of the reception rooms. So coming along, you have a almost home office study in there, currently being utilised as storage, but plenty of space for a home office or study, especially it being just tucked off the kitchen as well, making it really accessible throughout the day. Then coming through, this could be your dining room space. Look at how bright it is. It's just amazing how bright it is. That sun is beaming in through the conservatory. So this is a great dining space or currently being utilised as a home office. And it's so peaceful here. That's both patio doors open and it is so quiet. It's just brilliant. So it really does make it an ideal location for your home office. You then get to step through into your absolute sun trap of a conservatory. Sun is beaming in here, so it's perfect positioning. So this is your conservatory. You can just imagine these open, the wee ones running in and out if you have any pets. So that is your 3 reception rooms. We then step into part of your garden. So I'm going to show you the rear garden just now, and then we will head round to the side. But this, again, just like when you're at the front, is completely private. We are not overlooked whatsoever. So let me talk you through this garden then. So you have one shed just there, a second shed just there, both electricity. You then obviously have this kind of picket timber fence, which almost cordons off this astroturf area. You do have a patio area just here, as you can see. So, and we're sitting right in the sun. It's about 11 o'clock and we have the sun beating on us today. And then you just have your borders with your mature shrubs and plants. But this is one part of your garden. And then we are looking back at your property. Now you do have your access down the side just there. But let's just shut that gate, so that's perfect if you're wanting to keep again any small children or pets enclosed. Completely secluded garden. So we're going to head back inside, show you the rest of the property, and we'll head through and show you the side garden. So such a brilliant footprint, you're getting so much property. So heading back through, we're going to go to the other end of the kitchen, because we then have a utility space as well, which is a great addition. Currently all open, heading straight through, you can see you've got plenty of space for all of your appliances. So this is your utility space. And then what's a great addition is just behind this door here, you do have a WC with just a wee wash hand basin in the corner just there. So that is your final part of the property before we head outside. So let's head out to the side garden. Isn't this just the property that keeps on giving? So stepping outside, you then have all of this to the side as well. So let me just talk you through it. So you have your entrance gate just there, but then you have your rolling gate just there that provides you your off-street parking. So ample off-street parking if you wish, but obviously you can see just how quiet that road is, that you could just park on street, but at least you do have the option. So this is all of yours. So access just down there to the rear. But it's so peaceful here, you can just see the birds in the background, it's just perfect. You do just have an additional seating space just around the corner there, where you can see the flowers and the mature shrubs. Then panning round, you have this workshop space, which is perfect if you are looking for that workshop space, or you have a hobby, or whether you have a business. It's brilliant in there because you do have light and power, so it is set up ready to go. But then this is all yours as well, so it really is a brilliant footprint, plenty of space to really make work for you and your family. It's just brilliant. Obviously look at that, completely unobstructed to the front, not overlooked whatsoever. And I just love all the colours. This is all that you get with number 7. So let's recap. That was the personal property tour for 7 West Road, Strathmiglo. As you've just seen for yourself, a really spacious, detached family home, offering you your 3 receptions, plus the addition of your working from home office, 3 bedrooms, one of which is on the ground floor, making that 1-level living, and your accessible shower room. Heading outside, you have your ample off-street parking in this almost courtyard area, with the great addition of your workshop. Then heading round to the rear, you have a further garden space that's completely private and not overlooked whatsoever. Then obviously to the front of your property, you have these gorgeous unobstructed views also. So not only are you getting the perfect family home, you're situated in the idyllic village of Strathmiglo and everything that it has to offer. Walking distance from this property, you can get to the bowling club and the bowling green. Just beyond that as well, you have the convenience store. In terms of schooling from this property, you have the Strathmiglo Primary School. Then you're also just a short distance into Cupar, Baxter High School. Also for commuting from this location, you're just a short drive to Ladybank, or again just beyond that you can get into Cupar, where there's a further train station for commuting to Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. If you're heading in the opposite direction, you can get to Perth in about 13-14 miles, while also getting beautiful countryside walks that you get in this location. So not only are you getting the perfect family home, but you're getting all of your amenities close by while getting that village lifestyle. So if you'd like to get further details, you can either message me directly, click the link, or you can call the team on 01 334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.